circle. Okay, here's your standard equation for a circle. So it says x minus h quantity squared, y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. Okay, it creates a circle. Now, let's talk about what the stuff stands for. X and y are x and y just like in any equation. Okay? Now, this h and this k, first of all, notice there's minus signs in front of them. What that h and k stands for is the center. So the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the center of the circle. Okay, and the r is your radius. So it's really not that bad. So let's look at our first example. If we know that that is our formula, okay, it says write the equation of a circle with center 4, 5, and radius 16. We essentially just need to plug this stuff into the formula. So we know our center is h and k, and we know our radius is r, correct? So I'm just going to plug it into my handy-dandy formula. So my formula says x minus h, which is 4, quantity squared, right, plus y minus 5, okay, quantity squared equals r squared. Well, we said r is 16, right? 16 squared. And that's it, done. That's it. That was it. You just plug your information into the formula. No, nothing solving, that's it. I just answered for an equation. That's the equation, right? Have an x and a y? Nope. It's like, remember in Algebra 1 when you were taught y equals mx plus b? And you had to identify your m's and you had to identify your b's. And then after that, they would tell you, here's your M, here's your B, your slope, your phi, your stuff, plug them in. And then maybe you had to solve for a little piece, but we're not even going that far. Okay? But you need to know how to graph them up. We're going to get there. Write the equation of a circle with a center of negative 1, 2, and a radius of 5. Alright, so same thing. This is my H, this is my K, because it's my center, and this is my R.
It just be plus 1. Yeah.
Very good. What happens when you minus a negative? Right, so it's going to be x plus 1. So anytime you see a plus sign here, you know part of your center is negative. Okay. Plus y minus 2, very good, quantity squared equals 5 squared, which is? Beautiful. Easy. Question. Great. Now I'm giving you the equation. I want you to go the other direction. Look at the equation. Tell me what h, k, and r are. So it says find the center, which is h and k, and the radius. So what would my center be here? 0, right? Because there's nothing else with the x, so 0, comma.
No, 2.
Very good. Okay, and then what's my radius? 11. Why is it 11? Square root of 121 is 11. Good job. Okay. Again. What's my center?
Negative 3.
Negative 3 because of this plus sign. Positive 1. And my radius is 13 because the square root of 169 is 13. That was easy, right?
I tried.
Alright, so what I want to do is I want you to skip down because you're going to try this couple, but I want to talk about the graphing part. So the first one says x minus 3 quantity squared plus y, how comes x to y?
Plus 4.
Plus 4 quantity squared equals
4.
Okay, so that's steps that we just took to identify center and radius. You need to do again for me. So what is my center?
3. Negative 4.
Good, and what's my radius?
2.
And now all you got to do is plot that information. So how are we going to plot it? Well, my center, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. There's my center of my circle. Now it says my radius is 2. Remember the radius connects the center of the circle to the like a point on the circle. So I'm just going to go 2 in all 4 directions. So 1, 2, this would be a point. 1, 2, this is on my circle. 1, 2, this is on my circle. And then what you do is you draw the best circle you can. Try to make it more circular than oval. And you just connect the points in a circular fashion. And there you go, that's it. There's a circle that has a radius of 2 and a center of 3, -4. Not too bad, right? Are we ready to try the next one?
Yes.
Okay. Can you guys read me off the problem? Uh-huh. Okay. So, again, I need my center, which is
1, 4.
1, 4. And I need my radius, which in this case is 1. So I'm going to go to 1 up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's my center this time. And my radius is 1, so I'm going to count 1 up and down, left and right. So 1 away up here, 1 away here, 1 away here, and 1 away here. Oops, sorry, that's 2. And draw my little circle. It should be a little circle because there's a radius of 1. Questions, ladies and gentlemen?